Frank and Alice are awesome!
Tayo and Rogi are going back to the bus garage after work.
Huh?
Uh-oh.
Oh. Why aren't the cars moving?
Maybe there's something wrong.
Huh?
Please make way! It's an emergency! Alice, let's go!
All right.
Wow, that was awesome!
I've never seen anything so cool!
Tayo and Rogi are amazed by Frank and Alice. Tayo and Rogi are very close to the fire scene now.
Everyone's turning around.
Oh, it's probably because of the fire in that building.
But why is that building on fire, huh?
I'm not sure. There's Rookie.
Let's go say hi.
Okay. Hi, Rookie.
Hi, Rogi.
Oh, hi, Tayo. Hi, Rogi.
What's going on here?
Oh, that building was on fire. But the fire trucks put it out just now.
Rookie, we need you here!
Oh, all right. I've got to go, you guys.
Okay. We should get back too, Rogi.
Tayo, look over there.
Ugh, I got all dirty again.
Yeah, but at least no one was hurt.
Hey, guys!
Oh?
Oh my, what cute little buses. What are your names?
My name's Rogi, and this is Tayo.
Nice to meet you, Tayo and Rogi. I'm Frank.
And I'm Alice. Why did you call out to us?
Well, you two just look so amazing.
Is that so? I'm a little embarrassed because I'm so dirty.
Well, let's go wash up at the fire station.
At the fire station? It's a little far. Isn't there a car wash closer by?
Would you like to come with us then?
With
With
you
you
guys?
We've got a car wash at the bus garage too.
Yeah, plus the car wash is brand new.
Aw, thanks, guys, but it's okay.
My!
We don't want to intrude.
Sounds like a great idea. We should take Tayo and Rogi up on their offer. Is it really all right?
Of course!
Frank?
Well, will you guys take us there?
Yahoo! This is great!
But we'll leave right after we wash. It's not polite to stay for too long. Plus... Hey? Oh? Hey, you guys! Wait for me!
They were awesome.
Really?
Woo, woo,
And they were
woo.
blaring their sirens.
And all the cars made way for them like this.
Wow, incredible!
Hey!
Oh.
Wow! All cleaned up?
Yeah, all thanks to you.
Thanks, Hana.
No problem. Come again whenever you need to.
Well, we should get going now.
Already?
Yeah, we're all washed up, so we should head back now.
Could you please stay a little longer, please?
Yeah, couldn't you play with us?
Yeah, but they might be busy.
Actually, we're both done with work today.
Really?
Alice, but
Would it be okay for us to stay, Hana?
Of course. It's been a while since your last visit.
Let's go!
okay.
Well, I better get back to work now.
And then I hosed water straight into the fire. Swoosh!
Wow!
And I carried all of the people to the hospital.
That's awesome!
Frank, let's play tag now.
Tag? Well, it does sound like fun, but I'm a lady, and ladies don't play tag.
Besides, it's not safe to play tag at the garage.
But we play tag here all the time.
Yeah, it's so much fun.
What? You guys could hurt yourself like that. Don't you ever do such a dangerous thing like that again.
Huh? Okay.
Frank?
Huh?
May I give you a tour of the garage then?
A tour? Sounds wonderful.
Okay, follow me.
Okay.
Alice, you can come with me if you like. I'll show you around.
Okay.
Come with me. Come on.
Okay.
But I wanted to play tag.
Taiyo, the little bus.
This is where I practice driving every day.
Wow, it looks fantastic.
This is my favorite place. Well, would you like to give it a try?
Me?
Yeah, it's so much fun.
Well, I suppose I could.
Wow, what's this place for? It looks like a movie theater.
We watch training videos on the screen, and we also watch TV here during our free time.
Wow, you guys are so lucky. The screen is so huge.
We have lots and lots of channels, too. Watch this.
I'm Fireball. This afternoon and now, Joey's fantastic
Watching
magic
TV
show.
with you makes it even more fun.
Me too.
I'm bored.
Oh, I thought it would be fun to have Frank and Alice over.
By the way, shouldn't they be done with the garage tour by now?
Well, I'm not sure.
Ha!
Wow, you're really good at this.
It's a piece of cake if you simply follow the traffic law. Hiya!
Well, aren't you tired from playing it for so long?
What do you mean? I could play for hours longer.
Huh?
Is something bothering you?
Oh, no,
Woohoo!
I want to practice driving too. Frank, I'm gonna go get some fresh air.
Oh, okay.
Tired of waiting for his turn, Gani leaves the video training center.
Do you like this show, Alice?
Yeah, I love it.
I want to watch something else.
Sure we can. Right after we watch the show.
My show will be over by then.
Wow, look! Look at that! It's so incredible! This show is so exciting!
I'll be back in a minute.
Len
Okay.
is upset because Alice made her miss her favorite show.
What should we do now?
I don't know. Hana seems to be busy too.
Huh?
Huh?
It's Gani and Lanny. Why are you two so clingy? Where are Frank and Alice?
Frank wouldn't stop playing the video simulation, so I just came back.
And I missed my favorite show because Alice was watching something else.
I thought we could all have fun together if Frank and Alice came for a visit.
Instead, we can't have any fun because of them.
Yeah.
This isn't fun at all.
So, if I change this here... Whew, it's fixed. Now I'll give it a try to see if it works.
What's that noise?
It came from the repair shop.
Let's go see!
I have to put the fire out! Where's the extinguisher?
The repair shop is on fire!
Where's Hana?
I think she's still inside.
What should we do?
Hannah!
Oh, guys! Are you all right?
What happened?
An engine I was fixing caught fire, but I can't find the extinguisher.
What are we going to do? The fire's spreading! Oh, no!
This is awful.
Stand back, everyone!
Frank! Alice!
Don't worry, I got this. Here we go!
The fire's getting smaller! He put out the fire!
There. You're safe now. Huh?
Wow, Frank, you were amazing!
You're the best!
You are really incredible.
You're all being too kind.
Thank you so much, Frank.
Huh? Hannah, I think you've inhaled some smoke, so we have to go to the hospital.
Huh? The hospital? Don't worry, I'm feeling fine and dandy.
You've inhaled too much smoke. You have to see the doctor right away. It's my duty to take care of sick people.
All right.
Nice work, Alice.
You're so great!
I'll be right back.
I'm gonna take Hana to the hospital.
Make sure to stay out of trouble until Hana returns, okay?
We will!
Great!
Okay, let's go, Frank. Oh, by the way, we had lots of fun today.
I hope we didn't make you uncomfortable today.
Not at all. We had a great time, too.
Would you mind if we came over again?
Of course not. Come over anytime.
You have to come again.
We'll be waiting for you, Frank.
Alice, let's watch TV together again.
Uh-huh. Well, let's go.
See you all later!
Frank the fire truck and Alice the ambulance are reliable friends we can count on whenever we're in danger.